Hey YouTube, they have a chair from IKEA Millberget. This is the code. It says here it's 16 kilograms, it's quite heavy. Made in China. I'm gonna open it up. I'm not gonna show you how it's made, but I'm gonna explain a little bit about if it was easy or not, and let's see the chair. So, got done it on vertical. This is the Millberget chair. That's how it looks when it's fully assembled. Estimate, assembled, not constructed, estimate around 30 to 40 minutes to assemble it. It's adjustable in height. You can adjust it from everything down here. And also the back, you can tilt the back, front and back. Also, what's to be important in all those chairs that are assembled, make sure that when you're tying these screws, you don't fully tighten them up with this tool here that they give you, in order to be able to be adjusted and do it consecutively. Tie a little bit the screws here, but it says in the instruction that you should not do that. The good thing is that here in the bag has a zipper. You can store some things inside here, preferably this tool, because you're going to need it, because at some time this bolts will be loose. The other good thing is that if you leave, it says that those they are not anti-slippery wheels, so it will not fall back the chair. And yeah, at the price point, not good. It's not a gaming chair, but it has some back support, and it's one of the cheapest chairs, desk chairs in IKEA. You can find cheaper ones, but I bought this one because it has some head support here, and also it can be adjusted in the back. So that's about it about the Millberget chair. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.